Hello everyone. So in this section, I will talk about a step-by-step process of installing Ansible AWX on the latest version of Ubuntu. As we already know, Ansible AWX is a free and open source web application that provides a user-friendly interface for managing Ansible playbooks and inventories. Let's break down the installation process. So first we will install the Ubuntu operating system and update the system, and then set up Docker to prepare the environment. And then we are going to install and configure Minikube cluster along with the kubectl command line tool for the AWX environment. And once the Minikube cluster is ready, we are going to deploy Ansible AWX using the AWX operator. And finally, we will access and explore the Ansible AWX dashboard. So this is the step-by-step process of installing Ansible AWX. So friends, that's all for this lecture. In the upcoming lecture, I am going to show you each and everything practically.